Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the euro currency again. So yesterday's comment, as you could see by the market reaction, was not really impressive. So mostly the many market participants have treated these comments mostly as dovish, and they have not got any real guarantees from the Fed that the rate will be raised till the end of the year. So Yellen has made the hint that it's really very probable that at least once Fed will raise the rate, but at the same time Fed will have has decreased the forecast on the gross domestic product result for the 2015. Also, they have increased the forecast on the unemployment. This increase was not really significant, but still they have increased it, and they again said that the employment market, the job market, is not really shows the strength that they would like to see. Particularly speaking, they see too much partially employed people, and they see a bit lower participation rate in employment. So that the moments that they will continue to monitor, and these comments in general were treated as they be dovish, and that has pushed some markets to the upside. I mean, the gold market, the dollar-related currencies. That's why we think that we will get only one rate hike till the end of the year at best. But if we will see some stagnation in the data till the end of the year, or even if the data will become worse, I mean the statistics, we even could get no rate hiking at all. That's really could happen. That's why from that standpoint, the pressure from the dollar strength probably will become easier in till the end of the year, and the other driving factors could take the lead over the dollar strength, and that could turn markets in absolutely in a different circumstances. For example, on the euro currency, the Greece could become the dominant, and probably will become dominant in the nearest future compared to the dollar strength and what all the stuff that was around the Fed meeting and so on. That's why, since in the Greece problem we did not see and probably will not be able to foresee what really could happen and how it will finish all this turmoil around the Greece debt, we think that on the euro currency right now is better to not marry in position and take the short trading. Particularly speaking, we have the deadline on the Greece payment till at the end of the June, when the Greece should pay slightly less than $2 billion to the IMF. That's why within the 2 weeks we could take any positions. But if you would like to take the position on the weekly chart, on the monthly, that will be accompanied with a significant risk, because we do not know what will happen around the Greece. That's why probably it will be better if we will focus just on the short-term trading on the euro currency by far. Particularly speaking, recent push up, so right here you can see from the Fed statement, makes more probable that market finally could reach the minor 618 target of this ABCD pattern. This target is a bit wide, so here you could use, for example, 14 even, but if you will draw this ABCD right from the beginning and it stands on the weekly and monthly chart, you will get approximately 1440 area. It's not really big difference. Anyway, market has the chances to test the previous top that has been formed recently. That's really could happen. Market, as you can see right now, is testing for the third time this monthly pivot resistance one. First time, also that was the overbought here, retracement. Second time, minor retracement, and third time. So probably I think that today, tomorrow market really has the opportunity for reaching the zero, grabs the stops even that have been placed here. Whether the market will continue to move higher, it's very difficult to say. But I think that if even today, you know that today will be another meeting with the Greece government and the European Union authorities, so officials. So if even today they will not come to agreement, reaction probably will be mild, because there are still 2 weeks till the end of the June, and we see already the multiple really failure meetings with the Greece and with the European Union bankers. So, and the reaction of the market was really not significant because the moment of truth will happen at the end of the June, and everybody understands this. That's why, in a short-term perspective, despite what today will happen about the Greece question, if of course we will not get the real drastic failure of the negotiations, but if this will not happen, chances that market really could grab the stops above this top and complete this ABCD pattern seems as the really significant. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the pattern that could lead market to this target is the butterfly. So we have discussed yesterday. You can see that it has the 127 extension precisely at 114.50 area. But probably here we could even count on the reaching high levels, because if stops will be clear out, it's probably market will show some spike up as the stops are starting to trigger. The market could continue to move slightly higher. Anyway, 14.40 area is the target for today and tomorrow trading sessions. So guys, if you would like to trade this butterfly, you could watch for possible retracements on the hourly chart. As you can see, there's probably 13.10 area. Now there will be the conference 12.70, 12.90 area. It's where market could retrace before upward continuation, if this will really happen. Well, in the short-term perspective, that's all that we could say. It's probably the only pattern that we have here right now on the euro currency, and in fact we do not have any other setups right here on the euro currency. Here guys, with this candle, unfortunately on my chart, this is not the grabber. On the FX Pro chart, market has not tested the MACD predictor line, but maybe on your broker you will have the bullish grabber here. I do not know. So if you would like to use this pattern for trading, it's better to check this on the futures market. So if you will be able to check this, it's better to download the data from the Chicago Mercantile Exchange on the trading on the euro futures and calculate whether this really was the testing of this MACD predictor or not, because it's really could be the wrong situation where you will make the bet on this bullish grabber, but in reality it will appear that we do not have any grabber at all. So on the FX Pro I do not have the grabber. Well, that's all. Let's see what will happen today on the Greece meeting, and let's see whether the market will complete finally this ABCD pattern till the end of the week.